Hey everybody, welcome back to my brick house kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Heather, and today it's actually really cold outside. We're expecting an ice storm, and I thought it would be the perfect day to turn on the oven and bake something warm and cozy. So we're going to be making apple pie together. It's going to be a Dutch apple pie, refined sugar-free of course. We're going to use organic flour, and it's going to have a special little twist on it. So let's get to baking, and I'll show you what that twist is going to be. The first thing I'm going to do is make the pie crust, and to do that I need to take 1 stick of butter, and it needs to be very cold, or frozen even works, and we're just going to grate it with a box grater. You could also do this with a grating attachment on your food processor. You need a cup of organic flour and a pinch of salt. You're just going to work the butter and the flour together. I like to do this with a fork. Usually I do it in a bowl, but it's harder for you to see that way, so I'm just going to try and do it on the parchment here. See how the flour and the butters just work together a little bit here, and kind of like these pea-sized crumbles. That looks perfect. I'm going to do a half a cup of sourdough discard. And it depends on how wet your sourdough discard is as to how much water you're going to need next. I have some ice water ready here, and we'll use that just to kind of bring the dough together. But first I need to add just a few other things. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. And I'm going to add just a little bit, a splash of apple cider vinegar. All right, now we're going to try and work this together. And you don't want to overwork the pie dough, so just be very careful with it. I just kind of like to push it just a little bit to kind of incorporate everything. And your goal is to just have it come together, and that's it. I'm going to need a tiny, tiny bit of ice water. You want to do about a tablespoon at a time. And again, depending on how wet your sourdough discard was, you may or may not even need water. All right, I think this is actually pretty good. I'm just going to push in this loose flour. And then I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator while I peel my apples.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their home. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas so much love.
My secret ingredient that I love to put in apple pie is orange. I'll do orange zest, and then I'll also do the juice of this orange. Now I'll just pour the orange juice on top, and then we'll put our seasonings on. All right, now I'm gonna do apple pie spice and a little bit of cardamom. If you don't have apple pie spice, that's fine. You could do cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, whatever it is that you like in your apple pie. I just happen to have this right now, so I want to use it up. I like just a little bit of cardamom. All right, let's get the crust back out.
Can
do it this way. Hold on, let's get your... Hold this. Flip it. I don't know.
Because I could do it
Put it all the way. All the way. Good job now. All the way back. Good job. You want to do a couple times yourself?
I think it's too floury.
I think we're good. Look.
Oh, can you flip it that way?
Nope, I think it's done. I think it's big enough. Here, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now fold it this way. Can you help me? Fold it this way. Good. Now fold it this way. That's good. And we're going to pick it up. There you go. Pull the pie plate forward. There you go. Here, help me unroll it. There you go.
Ooh.
What do you think? Hold on. There you go. Good.
What do I do with these?
Hold on. I'm going to cut it down a little bit.
That extra is good for pie crust cookies. You did a little too much flour.
It's okay. Now watch. I'm going to show you how we're going to do the crust, okay? Fold it all up under like this. You want to help? Fold it up. Like that.
I can do this part.
Okay, let's turn it. Hold it up under.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, the tree. And I lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
That's gonna be beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get this on a pan and put it in the oven. All right, everybody, the pie is actually done. It's cooled, it's out of the oven, and I've already snuck a piece. It's really good. It tastes like, if you remember having wassail or hot apple cider growing up, when you would take slices of orange and cinnamon sticks and you put them with apple cider in the crock pot and let it steep all day. That's what this tastes like. It is so good. If you haven't tried orange in your apple pie yet, it tastes like Christmas. You need to try it. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you make an orange apple pie. Bye, guys.